To register on the Aviator Predictor app, begin by searching for the app online. Open your browser and type Aviator Predictor GitHub. Click on the relevant GitHub link and scroll down to locate the specific entry for the Aviator Predictor app. Once found, click on it and review the page for detailed registration and installation instructions. Start by downloading the app. Click on the Download this app option, which will redirect you to another page. From there, select the Download app button to retrieve the APK file. After the download is complete, proceed to install the app on your device. Once installed, open the app and select the Login option. For logging in, use admin as the username. And if you're unsure of the password, click on the Forgot Password option to retrieve it. After logging in, follow the subsequent instructions provided within the app to complete the setup. Once done, you should be ready to start using the Aviator Predictor app.